Most people think a silent, non-spinning hard drive means their data is gone forever, but in reality, it's often just a circuit board component that's failed. Hey, it's Mike back at Payam Data Recovery, sitting with Dimitri, a senior data recovery engineer working on a portable Seagate drive that the customer said had stopped working. When he connected it to the power supply, nothing happened. No spinning, no signs of life whatsoever. Dimitri removed the circuit board and immediately spotted the culprit. Two fried electrical components. One of the components was responsible for delivering electricity to the hard drive, which would explain why the hard drive was showing no signs of life. The electrical damage was clearly visible on the circuit board, and the best option, as Dimitri explained, was to replace the faulty circuit board with a like-for-like board from a donor drive. Although this is not as simple as, say, replacing a flat tire, replacing a circuit board requires Dimitri to transfer some essential components from the faulty board to the donor board by hand. It was fascinating to watch him perform this delicate transfer of electrical components with surgical precision that only comes with years of experience. When he powered up the drive with the donor board, it came to life. The drive began spinning and data started copying immediately. The most remarkable part? The power surge that killed the circuit board had miraculously spared the read heads inside the drive, giving them full access to all the data. What struck me most was witnessing how technical expertise could resurrect what seemed completely hopeless, turning digital disaster into complete recovery. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.